Can you guess the Clash Royale cards by their sound? 90% of players fail this test. Good luck. Starting off easy. Mini P.E.K.K.A. Before we move on, big props to everyone who guessed the 6-7 last time. It was the Lava Hound. You're seriously jinxed if you missed this one. Valkyrie.
Ha 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 ha! Let's go. Yay.
One last easy one. Princess. Bonus round. You'll reach Ultimate Champion, but don't message the first person that shows up when you press share, then more.
Bowling!
Now let's jump into medium level. Bowler.
Showtime! Magic!
Fire! Fire!
What's this one? Wizard. You're not OG if you don't get this one. Knight. Hard level now. Guess this. Rage. And this one. Goblin Barrel. Last hard before 6-7. Mega Minion. Now 6-7. Are you ready for 6-7 level? Follow me for more Clash Royale trivia. Let's go. Prove your OG. Drop your answer in the comments.